Hi everyone, my name is Nangobi Lydia. Welcome to our project presentation. Over the past semester, our team has been working on a web application aimed at solving a real-world problem using the Django. In this video, we'll walk you through what we built, why it matters, and how it works behind the scenes. Let's start with the problem our system addresses. Today, many students find it hard to get accommodation in Jinja when they just come to Jinja. Our goal was to build a web application that simplifies this process, whether you're a user looking for a service or a provider offering something valuable. Our platform bridges that gap efficiently. This solution was inspired by our past experience when we just arrived in Jinja, and it aims to bring convenience, speed, and organization in one's digital space.
Hello, my name is Kato T, and I'm going to take you through the system overview and features. Now let's dive into the features of our application. First, we are having the admin page, whereby the admin can add users, add bookings, property images, properties and views, and other user profiles. As you can see, I'm already logged in. You can see my profile there. So this is the home page. We're having the navigation bar, whereby we're having the project logo. We're having the home, then we're having properties. In case you want to view more details about the properties, you click on view properties. You can see the details, the location, and the property type. Then you can view you can also add your properties, like on the side of the landlord who wishes to get customers or clients, you can add. Then you're having the bookings page. Here is where you make your reservations, like on the side of the customer or the person looking for a renting property. Here we're having the search bar, where you can search everything, and the search button. Now back on the home page, you can see this is the home page. Down here you can see the footer. You're having the contact us. The user can contact the site developer or the app developer. Here are the quick links, also like the navigation bars, and the copyright, all rights reserved. And also, let me show you how the user can add also a property. You click here, add the property. You type the property title. Let's say if you want like a flat, you add the property description, then the address. Let's say Jinja. Jinja. Then of course the city is also Jinja City. The bedrooms, let's say it has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The price, the zip code, let's make the default 00. Then the state, we are in Uganda of course. Then the date, the price, let's click like $1. Then the available, then we click on the date when the property is available. Then we add on the image. We choose the image to add. Then after, we save the property. We had the property type house, then the image, then we save. As you can see, now the property has been added successfully. You can see it's a flat with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and the price also indicated, and also the location. You can see on the side the location is in Jinja. Basically that's what our app is doing.
Yeah, for this part I'll be taking you through our backend and how everything works from the backend. So this is our project, this is our project environment, this is our rental project. So we'll go to the terminal, go to new terminal, that's our project. So we'll have to first activate our environment. So that's the code for activating the environment. So our environment is open and active, and here we'll have to run the server, that is Python. So to run our project, we'll have to type Python manage.py run server. So this will create like a local server from which we can run our Python code, okay, which is basically our Django, and click. So this will bring us to our project and the different, like the user interface. So to take you back to our code, like we implemented the model view template where we had different templates. We created models and views. So this is our structure. So we have the rental project. The rental project, it contains the media, it contains the app, the project. So this rental project is the main project. This is our app, and these are our templates for the project. So the manage.py will be like, it is like our master app, which basically manages most of the settings. So to link up all these pages, like we used our rental project, we have the settings.py. So in the settings.py we have the rental app, we have the crispy forms and the crispy bootstrap, since we used bootstrap for the project. So this is our app, rental app. Then for the URLs, so this is where we put our URLs and our static files. The admin, we have the rental app URLs. So this, all of this like links up our project app with the different templates and the different models. So for our rental app, we have the admin, we have the app, the forms. So here, this is where we design the form, like in case someone wanted to enter in some of the details. This is where like it would be, like it describes how it would be stored. And then the models, it describes the we have different classes. So the classes, like they show us how the different models will be looking like. We have the URLs, which links the different views. We imported our views. So in views, this is where like we designed how most of our project variables will be looking at. We have the login for the user, the property. We have the property function, and then the edit. Basically, we are trying like to maintain the model view template, which is one of the cores of Django. And then after, for our database, we use the DB SQLite, which is basically Django's inbuilt database. But if you want, you can add in, like you can use the more advanced one. So for us, we decided to use that. And basically, this is our project. Then to run it, Yeah, that's it.
My name is Sidney Kasumba, and I'm going to make the conclusion for the presentation. Um, to wrap it all up, we are going to look at what this means to the real world. Imagine a small business owner or a service provider like a landlord, uh, a school, a hospital, Airbnbs, and service providers such as those that are trying to grow their customer base. So our platform gives them a digital storefront that's affordable, visible, and user-friendly. Now for the end users such as students, where I fall, and other citizens of Uganda and the whole world at large, it's a one-stop place to find trusted services with ease. So in the future, we plan to add location-based suggestions with Google Maps, using Google Maps. Like imagine one given area, let's say like in Jinja City, whereby we have multiple rentals, multiple Airbnbs and hostels that can be accessed by the population. So that's part of our plans for the future, and we plan to implement user reviews and rating features. We already implemented the rating features, but since we haven't had as much users, it's currently kind of blank, but it's functional. So we plan to make them useful in the future, and we plan to launch a mobile app version. We plan to launch a mobile app version for even easier access, as many people have phones and have access to the internet, so it will be easier if at all they can access both the web and mobile version of the site. We plan to introduce data analytics for providers to track engagement and performance. That's for the landlords and the owners of different businesses, accommodation service businesses, to help them to track their engagement and performance with their customers. Thank you for watching. We are excited about where this can go next, and how it can continue solving real world problems for real people. If you have any questions or would like to try a demo, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. Until next time, stay innovative, man.